Most homes in America now have smoke detectors, but still 3 out of 5 fire deaths in residential properties are because those detectors aren't working or have been taken down because of false alarms. Please be sure that your detector is functional. It should be tested every month. It's easy to do. A detector should be in every sleeping room, as well as one on each level of your home. Make sure your detectors work. Make sure that you have replaced the battery when necessary. It's easy and very inexpensive to do. It's the first line of defense you have to make sure your family is protected and can get out safe.